Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 Model MG ZS Alpha, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 7K kilometers mileage, first owned, plate ending 6, parking sensors, reverse camera, leather seats, panoramic sunroof, thick tires, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 618,000 pesos, slightly negotiable, 139,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2019 model Nissan Terra VL, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 72K mileage, first owner, pristine condition, touchscreen radio, reverse camera and sensor, thick tires, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,138,000 pesos, slightly negotiable, 321,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2016 model Honda City E, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 26K kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, econ button, SRS airbags, central locking system, reverse sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 498,000 pesos, slightly negotiable, 96,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2018 model Hyundai Tucson, 2-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, 5K kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained in Hyundai Passing, central locking system, side visor, reverse sensor, thick tires, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable, 120,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Nissan Juke 1.6-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 54K kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, push start, central locking system, touch screen radio, SRS airbag, thick tires, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable, 120,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2015 model Toyota Vios E, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 62K kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 4, SRS airbag, thick tires, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 378,000 pesos, slightly negotiable, 55,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.